now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to draw your attention and take you to the most important part of the conference, that is the 16th edition DataQuest T-School Awards 2021. DataQuest has always been recognizing the leading colleges for their hard work in creating a mark and leading transformation in the field of higher education. So, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for our first awardee, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Indian Institute of Information Technology and Management, Gwalior. They have been ranked first in West Region DataQuest T-School Employability Index Survey, September 2021, and ranked second in the West Region DataQuest T-School Survey, March 2021. Let's congratulate our next awardee, Amity School of Engineering and Technology, Raipur, ranked first in East Region DataQuest T-School Employability Index Survey, September 2021, and ranked third in East Region DataQuest T-School Survey, March 2021. Let's give a big round of applause to now Amity School of Engineering and Technology, Lucknow, ranked second in DataQuest T-School Employability Index Survey, 2021 private in this month of September 2021. Our next awardee, Army Institute of Technology, Pune. Let's give them a round of applause. They've ranked fourth in West Region DataQuest T-School Employability Index Survey, September 2021. Our next award goes to B.S. Abdur Rahman, Crescent Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai, ranked first in DataQuest T-School Survey Private, March 2021, and ranked second in South Region DataQuest T-School Employability Index Survey, September 2021. A big round of applause for them now. Our next college that has won the award is Banari Amman Institute of Technology, Satyamangalam. They ranked third in DataQuest T-School Survey 2021 in the private category in the month of March, and ranked third in South Region DataQuest T-School Employability Index Survey in September 2021. Congratulations and a big round of applause for you. Our next awardee is Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering, Pune. They have ranked first in DataQuest T-School Employability Index Survey, private, September 2021, and ranked third in West Region DataQuest T-School Survey in March 2021. Congratulations to you. Let's put our hands together for Birla Institute of Technology, Pilani now. They've ranked first in DataQuest T-School Digital Index Survey, December 2020. Our next winner, Chitkara University Institute of Engineering and Technology, Rajpura. They've ranked second in DataQuest T-School Digital Index Survey 2020 in the private category in the month of December. Let's put our hands together for them, everybody. Our next winner is College of Engineering, Pune. Big congratulations to them. They've ranked first in West Region DataQuest T-School Survey, March 2021, and ranked first in West Region DataQuest T-School Digital Index Survey in December 2020. They have also ranked third in West Region DataQuest T-School Employability Index, September 2021. A big round of applause for them, please. Time to put your hands together again for our next college, which is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Institute of Technology, Jalandhar. Ranked second in North Region DataQuest T-School Digital Index Survey, December 2020. Let's put our hands together and a big applause for Dr. D.Y. Patil Technical Campus, Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University, Pune. They have ranked second in West Region DataQuest T-School Digital Index Survey, December 2020. Our next winner is DJ Sangli College of Engineering, Mumbai. Ranked third in West Region DataQuest T-School Digital Index Survey, December 2020. Let's give them a round of applause. Our next awardee, Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. Put your hands together as they've ranked first in DataQuest T-School Employability Index Survey, September 2021, and ranked first in DataQuest T-School Survey, March 2021. Put your hands together for International Institute of Information Technology, Hyderabad. Ranked first in South Region DataQuest T-School Employability Index, September 2021 survey, and ranked first in South Region DataQuest T-School Survey in March 2021. They have also ranked first in DataQuest T-School Digital Index Survey in the government category, December 2020. Let's give a round of applause to our next college, that is Indraprastha Institute of Information Technology, New Delhi, ranked 3rd in North Region DataQuest T-School Digital Index Survey, December 2020, ranked 2nd in DataQuest T-School Employability Index Survey, September 2021, and ranked 3rd in North Region DataQuest T-School Survey, March 2021. Let's give a round of applause now to International Institute of Information Technology, Naya Raipur, ranked 2nd in East Region DataQuest T-School Digital Index Survey, December 2020. Our next awardee is Paneru Lakshmaya Education Foundation, Vadeshwaram. They've been ranked 2nd in DataQuest T-School Survey, March 2021. Let's put our hands together for them. Another round of applause for our next awardee, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad University of Technology, Haringhata, ranked 1st in East Region DataQuest T-School Digital Index Survey, December 2020, ranked 1st in East Region DataQuest T-School Survey, March 2021, and ranked 2nd in East Region DataQuest T-School Employability Index Survey, September 2021. Let's put our hands together for our next awardee, National Institute of Technology, Silchar, ranked 2nd in East Region DataQuest T-School Survey, March 2021, and ranked 3rd in East Region DataQuest T-School Digital Index Survey, December 2020. Our next awardee here is Netaji Subhash University of Technology, New Delhi. Let's put our hands together for them. They've ranked 2nd in North Region DataQuest T-School Survey, March 2021, and ranked 3rd in North Region DataQuest T-School Employability Index Survey, September 2021. Our next awardee is RMK Engineering College, Chennai, ranked 2nd in South Region DataQuest T-School Digital Index Survey, December 2020. Congratulations to you. Put your hands together for our next college, Reva University, Bangalore, ranked 3rd in South Region DataQuest T-School Digital Index Survey, December 2020. Another round of applause for our next college, Rangta College of Engineering and Technology, Bhilai, ranked 3rd in East Region DataQuest T-School Employability Index, September 2021. With that, we come to an end of this prestigious event. I first want to congratulate all the winners for the path-breaking work that they have done in the field of education and employability. And I want them to keep this spirit always running, because we are preparing the leaders of the future. I now hand over the mic to Sunil Rajguru, editor, DataQuest, PC's Quest, and CIOL for the closing remarks.
A special thanks to all our audience for attending today's virtual event and making it a success. Thanks to all the universities, institutions, and industry participants. I would like to express my gratitude to all our partners. Platinum partner, Juniper Networks. Gold partner, IBM. Cybersecurity partner, Fortinet. Academia partner, APJ Education. Research partner, Cyber Media Research. Now, under this program, DataQuest organizes webinars, workshops, and dialogues throughout the year. So we hope to see you all at our future events. Good evening and have a great week ahead. Goodbye.